Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the quickest way to animate text in Davinci Resolve using keyframes. Let's get into it. Step 1. Adding the right text. First, head to the Effects library in the top left. Go to Titles and drag a Text Plus clip onto your timeline. Standard text works, but Text Plus gives you way more styling options and smoother motion. Once it's in, type your words in the inspector panel on the right. Step 2. Setting the first keyframe. Move your playhead to the exact frame where you want the animation to start. In the inspector, look for the property you want to change, like zoom or position. Then, click the small diamond icon next to it. It will turn red. This is your anchor point, where the text sits still. Step 3. Creating the motion. Now, move your playhead a few frames forward to where you want the animation to end. Now, change the value of that property. For example, increase the zoom or slide the X position. Davinci automatically creates a second keyframe for you. Now, if you play it back, your text moves smoothly from point A to point B. Step 4. Making it pro with easing. To keep it from looking robotic, we need to ease the motion. You can do that by right-clicking on your text clip in the timeline and select Curve Editor. Then, select your keyframes and click the S-Curve icon. This adds a natural acceleration and deceleration, making the text feel premium and polished. Lastly, adding motion blur. Finally, for that cinematic look, go back to the inspector, click the Settings tab, and toggle on motion blur. Then move the quality up to about 10. This adds that realistic streak to the text as it moves, making the whole edit feel high-end. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.